And in most cases, as 3D artists, we end up creating our 3D sculpts in our 2D windows, but experiencing the creation of a 3D model in its form rather than relying on the 2D monitor has a different level of satisfaction than what we are normally used to. And with the all-new Shapelab 2024, experiencing the creation of 3D models in 3D has never been so beautiful with this brand new release, which is offering creators a multi-creation mode, as artists can switch from desktop all the way to VR depending on what fits. And with the new release of Shapelab 2024, there's a good number of value that has been added to creators. First off, if you already purchased Shapelab previously, you will be able to have Shapelab 2024 as an automatic update, and this version will get updates all the way to the end of the year. So there's no need to purchase a brand new version of Shapelab if you already owned it previously. And if you'd like to purchase Shapelab 2024, they now offer two different tiers of purchase, a one-time perpetual payment or a subscription based. And this is really cool because at this point you now have options to choose from. And currently there is a 20% limited time offer discount for perpetual license users. And if you're an educational institution and you like to access Shapelab, probably you want to introduce this within the curriculum. With this brand new release, educational institutions can also apply for a limited time free access to Shapelab as well. And with this said, Shapelab 2024 also comes with an array of interesting new updates and features that everyone would definitely love. As unlike other VR sculpting tools, Shapelab represents 3D models as conventional polygonal geometries rather than signed distance fields, as it offers artists a suite of brushes and toolsets to create with. And this, alongside a robust set of new features which Shapelab 2024 now comes with, makes creating high-quality 3D models in Shapelab super easy and interesting, as the features include a brand new multi-resolution and subdivision set of tools for creatively subdividing meshes and creating multi-resolution levels for high detail sculpting, and also basic sculpting structures can benefit from this, as users can choose what level fits and they can make modifications on the model without disrupting the mesh overall. There's also a brand new auto retopology tool which automatically creates a clean quad-based version of your 3D sculpt, which can be used for animation and further sculpting by simply adding extra subdivision levels. Shapelab 2024 also features an incredible projection tool, and this can be used for detail transfer, as artists can transfer high detailed features from a high resolution model to a low resolution model. This works seamlessly and will benefit greatly from the brand new subdivision and multi-resolution tools. Additionally, Shapelab 2024 brings with it a good number of quality of life improvements, and these improvements overall will definitely ease your sculpting experience in Shapelab, as this new set of quality of life improvements include the multi-selection of meshes, as they can easily be selected and grouped and also modified at the same time. Artists can also now parent different objects by simply nesting them how they want hierarchically. There are also brand new and custom matte caps currently available, and you can simply choose from these and visualize your model how you choose. Shapelab 2024 also comes with one very tiny but yet interesting quick pie menu. This is pretty useful as you can access various parts of Shapelab quickly, and of course if you like to explore more, or probably you like to work alongside other tools, the experimental desktop version is also available, so you can do your high quality sculpting from your VR headset, do a few retouching on your desktop, and then you can proceed to export these to every other DCC app for lighting, animation, and also rendering. And with all this, Shapelab 2024 now represents the future of sculpting in VR, as it takes a leap forward in high quality model creation via its impressive set of tools and accessibility to creators. So this is it for those who like to take a look at this, or probably you like to see some of these cool things that Shapelab now offers, or maybe you like to try Shapelab. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. It is also worth mentioning that Shapelab is currently doing a 20% offer, so just in case you like to grab this right now, this might be the best time for you to get it and start creating with it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course a huge shout out to the folks at Shapelab for making this possible. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.